In 2023, many tech CEOs said AI would replace most software developers by 2025. They said up to 80% of the developers would lose their job, but that didn't happen. In fact, the companies are hiring more developers than ever. Not because AI failed, but because people finally understood what software development really is. If you are learning to code or worry about your job, listen carefully. This changed everything. In March 2024, a company called Cognition AI launches a tool called Devin. They called it First AI Software Engineer. Devin could plan code, write code, test it, even deploy it. It solved real GitHub problems. It passed engineering interviews. People were shocked, and in Twitter, every developer is saying, "Is this the end of developers?" Then reality hit. People tried using Devin on real projects, and the hype died very fast. Devin worked very well on small projects, but when it faced real business software, it struggled. Big code bases, real user, messy requirements. Just like other AI tools, some companies try to replace developers with AI. Within months, they were hiring developers back. Not because AI is bad, but because they misunderstood software development. Here is the truth. Writing code is the easiest part. The hard part is everything else. First problem, context. Where real software has thousands of files, hundreds of thousand lines of code. AI cannot hold all of this in memory. It can lose track. It breaks things. Study showed AI could need twice many fixes as humans. Some companies even had security problem because of AI code. Second problem, requirement. A client say we need a payment system. Sound simple? But then come the questions. Refund, subscription, taxes, different countries, fraud protections. There are 50 hidden rules. Client don't these rules till the developer asks. AI doesn't ask the rule. AI doesn't ask the right questions. It only follow what you say. Experienced developers know what to ask. Every line of code is choice. Do it fast or do it clean. Fix old bugs or add new features. These are business choices, not just coding. AI can write code that works, but it doesn't understand your team, time or money. AI is not bad. AI is tool like a power drill. Power drill didn't replace carpenters. They helped them to work fast. AI does the boring work, basic code, API, testing. You decide what is right. The real way to work is simple. Developer leads, AI help. Developers using AI works 35% faster. That is not replacement, that is improvement. Developer jobs are not going away, they are changing. What matters most now? Understanding problems, asking good questions, building system that last. AI can write code, but it can't handle unclear ideas. That's why developers are still needed. The future is not AI versus developers. The future is developers who use AI versus the developers who want. Learn to use AI well. Your future will be strong. And subscribe if you want to help me to leave my corporate job.